guys, and welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Kathryn. Today we're getting organized and doing it for free. I'm gonna show you my favorite free organizers and how to label things at home using items you already have.
Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah.
I love chalk labels and I use them all the time. The problem is they smudge really easily and they aren't gonna stand the test of labeling time. My friend recently sent me a really cool idea where you could use packing tape, water, a printer, and a Sharpie to create a smudge-proof and waterproof label. This is so cool. And there's nothing worse than seeing something on Pinterest and you try to do it and it's a huge fail. So I did all the fails for you, so when you go to do it, it's super easy. All you have to do is open up Word and type up your labels. And if you want one of those really pretty and trendy fonts, go on to defont.com. They have some you have to pay for, but there's also tons of free ones that are really easy to install. When you print the labels, make sure you select the best ink quality. Then you're gonna take your packing tape, which you can find at the dollar store, and lay it over the words, and go over it with a tongue depressor or a credit card. Cut your labels down to size, and then take a small bowl of lukewarm water. It's really important that it's lukewarm. Drop your label inside and let it sit for a minute and a half. Then very gently underneath of the water, using your thumb, you're gonna remove the paper. It will come off nice and easily. This is going to work best with a laser printer. None of the ink is gonna come off and you're good to go. But who has a laser printer? I don't, I just have an inkjet printer. So if you have an inkjet, you'll notice some of the ink is going to come off as you're rubbing the paper away. You can then go through and touch it up with a fine tip Sharpie. Wait until the tape has fully dried before touching it up. And yes, you write right on the sticky side. I don't know how this can get wet and still work, but it totally does. Then you can stick it on whatever container you have. You have a completely custom label that's easy to wipe down and wash and is not going to be taken off by little hands. You can even go on places like PicMonkey.com or Canva to design something really beautiful and custom to label anything around your home. When it comes to organizing containers, my favorite free ones to use are old pretzel containers that I've taken the label off of. I also love old candle jars, specifically from Bath & Body Works. I have this beautiful one with a copper lid that is the perfect addition to my vanity, and no one would know that I got it for completely free. Leave me a comment down below about what you plan to label around your house, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more organizing content. I love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. I get way too excited about free things, but it's okay. That's why you're here.